Hey year 10s, so what we're going to be looking at is the transistor oscillator circuit. Now, I've been talking a lot about when we create our alarm circuit, we want it to be going, so we don't just want a constant buzzing sound, we want blam, 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 okay, so that kind of sequence. And to do that, I was giving you hints. I was saying, alright, let's think about capacitors, building up charge, releasing charge. Let's talk about transistors that can be used as a switch. But what I wanted you guys to end up with at the end was a transistor oscillator like circuit, okay? So that's, in reality, that's two of these circuits. This is a circuit here, and it's got two mini circuits joined together in it, okay, that have a light emitting diode, a resistor, and two resistors, sorry, and a capacitor, and they're going to be controlled by the transistors down the bottom. So they're going to be getting fed and changed in between them, and I've made the graph there so you can see when they swap. So if I press play, and as you can see, swapping between them. Now another really good thing about Circuit Wizard is if I stop this, I can change the current flow, so you can actually see on this one now where the current's flowing at the time. So as you can see, so it's switching in between those circuits, getting swapped by the transistor, and that's how they work. So it's showing how two transistors can be used together to generate a pulsing or oscillating output. So that's my little descriptor down the bottom there, and that's how that works. So hopefully now you're going to figure out, alright, I know how I'm going to put a buzzer into this, and now you need to think as well, how am I going to have to change the resistances to handle having a new component in, and also what's going to happen if I change the values of my capacitors. So I've got 100 picofarad here, so what's going to happen if you change those? Okay, so these are all questions that I'm going to leave with you now.